Hi, this is Jordan Moorhead with the Moorhead team. Just going through my newest Duplex Rehab. The BMW is not mine. So we're gonna get some trees taken out in the yard here. We pulled all the burglar bars off already, pulling out furniture from the old tenants. We're gonna clean up the yard a lot. Of course, there's not gonna be any of this trash in the yard when it is finished. But as we walk in here, this is the main living area with a dining area off to the side. So already scraped the popcorn, already doing some wall repairs. New flooring, new paint is going to be next. Of course, we're going to do the paint before the flooring. Then we're going to redo the cabinets. They have the countertops ripped off already. We'll have a backsplash put on. New lighting put in here. And new appliances to top it off. Any lighting here is going to be new. All the paint is going to be new. All the flooring is going to be new. Bedrooms, we're going to do new closet doors. Don't need to do new windows, luckily, on this one. The windows were in good shape. And we're just going to leave those be. But we're doing pretty much everything else. Of course, new door frames, new doors, so they come as a package. You get the frame, you get the whole door in one. We're gonna do 5-panel doors here and make it look nice. New washer and dryer. There was no washer and dryer in this unit when we bought it. Not going to redo the shower right now. So for right now, we're gonna leave this. We're gonna replace the fixtures, but the shower just wasn't bad enough to need to rip out. It's not the greatest, it's not what I would like, but it works. Do new vanities, new mirrors, new light fixtures. We're gonna clean up the toilets, see if we can have the toilets stay. This is an interesting one. You walk through the full bath into the half bath, and the half bath has the entrance either from the full bath or from the master bathroom. So, sorry, master bedroom. Medicine cabinet's gonna be new, vanity's gonna be new, light's gonna be new here. Of course, we're gonna put new bath fans. You typically have to replace the bath fans. But this is the master bedroom here. It's got a nice big closet, fair amount of space. We already replaced the sub panel because it was a Federal Pacific electrical panel, and we don't like those. Inspectors don't like them. There's supposedly a fire hazard, so I just go ahead and replace them whenever I see one. All right, thanks guys. Again, any info you need about rehabbing multifamily property in Austin, Texas, reach out. We do it all the time.